Write 72 as a product of its prime factors. So I'm going to take 72 and I'm going to split that into two factors. I'm going to choose 9 and 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Neither of those are prime though, so let's split each of those up. The 9, I can split that into 3 times 3. And both of those are prime numbers, so I can't split those up anymore. The 8, I can split that up some more. I could split that into 2 times 4. The 2 is a prime number, so I'm going to circle that. I can't split that up anymore. The 4 is not prime though. I can split that into 2 times 2, which are both prime numbers, so therefore I'm going to circle both of those, and I can't split any of those numbers up anymore. So I can now write 72 as the product of those prime factors, which would be 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Or if you wanted to, you could rewrite it as 3 squared times 2 cubed. Part B. Find the highest common factor of 72 and 108. Well, we've already just rewritten 72 as the product of its prime factors. Let's do the same thing with 108. So 108, I could split that into 2 times 54. 2 is a prime number, so I'll circle that. 54 isn't. I could split that into 2 times 27. 27, I can split that into 3 times 9. The 9, I can split that into 3 times 3. So I can write 108 as the product of its prime factors as 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Right, let's combine both of those results together then, and we'll do that in a Venn diagram. I'm going to draw a little circle here for 72, and I'm going to draw a circle over here for the 108. So the prime factors for 72 were these. The prime factors for 108 were these. So which ones are in both of them? Well, we've got 2 3s that are in both of those numbers, so I'm going to put those in the middle. Then I've got 2 2s that are in both of those numbers, so they are also going to go in the middle. The numbers that are on the outside, well, I've got a 2 here, which will go here because that's in the 72 but not the 108, and then I've got this 3 here that will be here because it's in the 108 but not the 72. So the ones that are common then are these numbers here, which will make 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, which is going to be 36. And so that is the highest common factor of 72 and 108.